All right, Thomas, here's your 347 small block Ford. Your description is a combination. Got a set of Moroso As Cast heads. Got some ground hydraulic roll. Got the Edelbrock air gap. Brawler carburetor, MSD Pro Billet. Got the front sump pan on it. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,400, 3,500 is 417 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 433, good and flat there. Peak horsepower 430, rated 425, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things. When you see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. Engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have your engine number, some other specs. You need anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. Hover over that, and take you to some more tech stuff. So have a great day.